Samajwadi Party is an epitome of appeasement politics. The message that they want to send out is that, oh, Aurangzeb was great. There is another MAGA which is happening. What is that MAGA? That MAGA is Make Aurangzeb Great Again. And Rahul, it puts me to shame that an MLA who has taken oath of the Constitution to preserve and protect the unity of our country is making such divisive, irresponsible statements to divide the community, to divide the citizenry of Maharashtra and India. And I would tell you something, let's not forget that even for the Muslim community, they have to choose their heroes. Their heroes could be Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Sahab, it could be Abdul Hamid. But if they start
who are you, Gaurav Bhatia, to try and tell anyone
yes,
who their hero should be? It's their right. He's basically saying he thought Aurangzeb was not cruel. It's his point of view. It's not as if you have to agree with it or disagree with him. Why pillory him and attack him in this fashion? That's his point of view. You don't have to agree with him, and you don't have to tell 14 crore people who their heroes should be.
Yes. So Rahul, first of all, if you make a statement that hurts the sentiments of the other community, you are in a way also inciting people, and that can lead to violence also. And that is a crime under the old 153A and 295A of the Indian Penal Code. And I must tell you that there are equivalents in the newly enacted law, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Second, I am nobody to tell him that who his hero should be. I am not on that. But then would they also give us the right to quote a few verses from the Quran? And the Quran also states certain things which are very uncomfortable for certain people in India. So if you talk about the rights have to flow both sides. But I am making a larger point. Abu Azmi has not apologized for his comments so far, which was expected out of him. Akhilesh Yadav, who indulges in appeasement politics, who endorsed the statement of Mamta Banerjee when she called the Mahakumbh Mela Mrityu Kumbh, also shows their divisive thought process, which is more